Hello, hello. Yes, good morning, everybody. I hope you can hear my voice and at the same time see my screen. So today I'd like us to start off analysis with the chart on my screen. We have a very good resistance zone. This is the resistance zone I'm referring to. This is the best level actually to look for if you're looking for a sell position. We also have a very good support zone, although it has not been highlighted by our indicator. So we had a very good support here. We had a support, we had a support, and we had a support here. If the price can move down and touch this line 1.26375, 1.26140, if the price can go down and touch somewhere between this zone, this should give us the best place to look for a buy from. So we'll just be waiting to see what happens. If the price can move down and touch that zone, this will be the ideal place to consider looking for a buy from. We expect the bars to come in strongly from this area, at least up to this zone, where if this zone is broken, the next zone is this one. If this is broken, then we'll expect the price to continue even higher. So expect a movements upwards after the break we have above this line here. In case the price does not do as we are saying, that is, in case the price goes down and even ends up closing below the lower line, which is 1.26140, then that will be a good sign that we may see a continuation to the lower side, at least up to this zone here. If that zone is broken, then we'll expect the price to extend even lower. So the next zone is this one on the lower side, and the other one is this one here. The other chart which I want us to have a look at is Euro USD. With the Euro USD so far, we are looking at a possible good downtrend. We've had price continue to move downwards. Recently we had a bearish change of character, which is this one, and we've had resistance, multiple resistance zones. We had a resistance here, we had a resistance, we had a resistance, and we had a resistance here. So as it is right now on this chart, this is a very good and ideal downtrend, and we do expect that the sellers are going to push the price even lower. We may actually see a break and a close below 1.07948. If the price should descend below this line, then that will be a good sign that we are now continuing to the lower side. So expect just a breakout below this line and then a retracement back towards the same level to mean that the price is continuing even lower. The next chart is Euro USD. Sorry, the same chart on the lesser time frame is 30 minutes time frame. So this is still downtrend. As you can see, the price is continuously moving in a bearish manner. We continue to see sellers continue to take control. So as it is right now, we are actually looking at this level here for a possible rebound of price from this level. If the price moves down and touches this level, if it does not break and close below it, then this should give us a good place to look for a buy from. And in case the price breaks and closes below these two lines, then we want to wait for a retracement back towards the same level to mean that the price is continuing downwards. So if the price breaks below it, we want to see a retracement back towards the same level to push the price even lower. So that's my opinion on this chart. The other chart is USD JPY. With the USD JPY so far, we have a very good resistance. We have a very good resistance. We have a very good resistance. And we have a very good support level here. And we have another support level here. So as it is right now, this is a very good support. We have a support. This is a very good resistance zone. If the price should touch any of those levels, if it does not break and close above them, above the zones which I've just drawn or below the zones which I've just drawn, then that will be a very good place to expect a possible rebound from. So we'll just be waiting to see what happens. If the price descends below this line, we expect a continuation downwards. If the price breaks above this zone, we expect a continuation to the upper side up to the next zone, which is this one. And in case the price ascends above this line, then the next zone is this one here. So basically, that is my opinion on those charts. The other chart I want us to have a look at, I want us to look at Euro GBP. So with the Euro GBP so far, the best zone to watch for is actually the line we have at the bottom. We do have a very good zone. So we had that zone. That's a very good converging wedge formation. And we have another one here. And then we have another one here. So basically speaking, these are some of the few zones I would look for if I was looking at this chart before now. So if I was on this chart when this was happening, then I was to focus on those levels there. But as it is right now, we are looking at this level. We are looking at that zone, this here. And we also look at this zone. So if the price goes up and touches these two lines, this will be a good place to look for a sell from. If the price moves down and touches this lower line, then this will be a good place to look for a buy from. So thank you very much. That should bring us to the end of today's analysis. We'll meet again tomorrow at the same time. Thank you and see you.